Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to Capital Crew, the channel where we break down global topics, financial insights, and economic predictions. I'm Ali, and today we have an intriguing topic for you. Here's how far home prices and mortgage rates could drop in 2024. We'll be exploring the top 10 economic predictions for the year ahead, so buckle up as we dive into the details. Number 1. Inflation moderation. Our first prediction takes us to the world of inflation. After a peak in 2022, global consumer price inflation is expected to moderate further in 2024. S&P Global Market Intelligence analysts predict a decline from 5.6% in 2023 to 4.7% in 2024. This is good news for consumers as lower inflation rates are expected across most regions. Number 2. Growth in North America and Western Europe. Moving on to growth predictions, it's anticipated that North America and Western Europe will fall short of their potential. This aligns with efforts to bring inflation back to target rates. The global annual real GDP is expected to grow at a slower pace in 2024 at 2.3% compared to 2.7% in 2023. Number 3. Mainland China's slow recovery. Shifting our focus to Asia, mainland China's economy is predicted to recover slowly. The recovery will be supported by accommodative policies, an improvement in private sector confidence, and a bottoming out of the housing market downturn. The forecast suggests an annual real GDP growth of 4.7% in 2024, down from 5.4% in 2023. Number 4. Policy rates and monetary pivots. A significant prediction is the expected cut in policy rates in advanced economies for mid-year. As confidence builds in the decline of consumer price inflation rates, monetary policy pivots are foreseen by mid-2024. This includes rate cuts and continued quantitative tightening by major central banks. Number 5. Emerging markets easing cycles. Emerging markets are expected to get an earlier start on easing cycles. Central banks in these regions, like Chile, Brazil, Peru, and Mexico, are forecasted to continue easing cycles. This proactive approach aims to keep inflation expectations stable and maintain healthy labor market conditions. Number 6. USD depreciation. A significant impact is predicted on the US dollar, with expectations of depreciation. This is linked to a relative slowdown in U.S. economic growth, inflation, and the unsustainably high current account deficit. The yen is expected to appreciate against the U.S. dollar, highlighting a divergence in monetary policy. Number 7. Financial headwinds and debt servicing. Financial headwinds are expected to persist, with higher interest rates and waning COVID-19 related support measures impacting debt servicing capacity. This is likely to lead to higher non-performing loans in various regions, prompting banks to adopt a more cautious lending stance. Number 8. Declines in residential house prices in Western Europe. For homeowners in Western Europe, the prediction is not as bright. Tight credit conditions and rising borrowing costs are anticipated to continue driving residential house prices down in 2024. The intensity of this correlation will vary across economies. Number 9. Policy uncertainty due to elections. A busy electoral calendar is expected to create policy uncertainty. Geopolitical factors and important elections in several countries, including India, Indonesia, Mexico, and the US, may impact economic prospects. Election campaigns will set the policy agenda, adding a layer of unpredictability. Number 10. Energy transition boosting US and Canada. Our final prediction is a positive one. The energy transition is anticipated to support growth in the US and Canada. Fiscal policies in the US, particularly the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, are expected to stimulate construction and green energy projects. In Canada, climate initiatives and carbon capture facilities are set to contribute to growth. And there you have it, guys, the top 10 economic predictions for 2024. From inflation moderation to shifts in growth patterns and the impact on currencies, these predictions provide a comprehensive overview of what to expect in the coming year. Keep an eye on these trends as they unfold, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates from Capital Crew. If you've enjoyed today's video, then don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends and family, and let us know in the comments which prediction surprised you the most. And of course, stay tuned for our next video where we continue to decode the complex world of global finance. Until then, this is Ali signing off for Capital Crew. Take care and stay informed.